Hi there, welcome to the Schroeder farm today. And today, that little kitty, right? Well, you might have missed her. Just had her babies, I believe. At least I hope it was hers, or we have some more kittens coming. This is kind of amazing because this is the third litter now for this year. And let's see if we can see them. Okay, I don't see any. Okay, so they are there. Okay. One, two, three. Okay. All right. Mama, your babies are just fine. They're beautiful. You had 3 babies, just like all the other ones. It's weird. Okay, here you go. Here you go. Don't you dare fart on me. Yeah, I made a little bit of a mess. I won't take it back, but... So my puppy, Ike here, thinks he's a proud father. He keeps coming up to the little mother right over here. You see her? There she is. Go get to your babies. Hey, come here. Hi there, I'm working on some shelving as well. So, what a day today, you know? Got to make a shelf too. Look. Some shit I found on the side of the road. You know what I mean? Another man's garbage or another man's trash is another man's treasure. That's what it said about my last girlfriend, but they can have that trash back.